Vo Truong Ton University Hospital is located on Highway 1A with a total area of 21,600 square meters. It consists of 450 beds. In VTU Hospital, there are medical examination, treatment and operation, scientific research and knowledge transfer, as well as the provision of high technical services in medicine and pharmacy. Clinical area, which includes Department of Outpatients, Department of Anesthesiology and Recovery, customer service. Hospital is equipped with modern medical machines and devices. Hospital is a multi-specialist centers with specialized support tech, is where the elements combine optimal perfect infrastructure, modern equipment, comprehensive services. Hospital is including internal medicine, surgery, obstetrics, pediatrics, otorhinolaryngology, general emergency, radiology, infection control department, and helipad for helicopter used in case of emergency. It has high-quality human resources, with a team of specialists, doctors, pharmacists. The team of nurses and technicians are professionally trained and are dedicated.
A name of trust and next level treatment.